They cook this my porridge yam. Look as wow, dry fish. I have smoked fish. Then red oil did the njangsa, all the mende, all the reptiles, all the reptiles dey inside to see. Those one na okongobon, ogu leaf, eating the vegetable where they give vitamin, iron. I go dey put this one like this now. Okongobon this night time. Go dey put okazi no okongobon spinach. Spinach time the can now okongobon don put Yes, my people. I have smoked catfish. I have smoked bonga. I have smoked pork meat. You understand? If you don't chop smoked pork meat, then you understand what we dey for inside porridge chop. It dey taste. See am. Oh, this one hot pot. Yes, so yam. Me ma taste am na. You go dey cook, you no go taste. Lick the hand Hey, my people. If you don't know how to cook, abeg can dey learn Quinta wine dey inside kitchen. Nothing dey happen. Hot porridge. This is how we porridge our yam in Cameroon. I know say yes, Nigeria dey get their own way for porridge, but na so we dey porridge our own. All the black pepper, the ingredients dey inside. Bush pepper dey. Cameroon pepper, na they call am bush pepper. Sisibe, e dey inside. Now, wetin I dey put like this? Hey! Now spinach, fresh spinach. Guys, enjoy this cooking with me. Cook with me. Cook with Quinta wine. The baby girl will know how to cook all this traditional meal. All these our dishes, no be everybody sabi how to cook them. Because when you cook am like this, no taste. As they enter body, you get to take care. Wash your hands. Always wash your hands. When you finish, you wash your pot. You dish am out. You put the one where you go store am for freezer or fridge. If you don't get fridge, no wahala. Leave am for pot so that you go dey warm am una dey eat to your family. Water go. Na so red oil remain am peke for inside. Oh God. Oh my God. Cooking is nice. Wow. Now so I dey do. I need to shake the pot too much. Thank you guys. Share the video. Thank you.